Hello and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Chongtham Amrita. First, the headlines. Para-Special Forces of Indian Army and Assam Rifles conduct joint operation against armed groups for violating public order in Kangpokpi and Churachandpur districts. .150 to 200 meter stretch of Indo-Myanmar border fence found cut near border pillar number 67 in Chandol district. Amid government reinstallation buzz, ex-Chief Minister N. Biren and BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sharda leave Imphal for Delhi. And Mayo and Musu's year-long vote for national regeneration campaign begins at Manipur University Auditorium. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. A joint team consisting of Indian Army's Para-Special Force and Assam Rifles reportedly carried out a joint operation in Churachandpur and Kangpokpi district today with the aim of destroying camps of militants belonging to United Kuki National Army (UKNA), which is non-suspension of operations group. According to sources, the operation targeted forested areas of the Hill district and was carried out as part of ongoing efforts to curb militant activity amid prolonged ethnic unrest in the state. Sources further informed that troops were deployed into the jungle terrain with the help of helicopters before moving in on the suspected camps. The mission, which began around 9 a.m., was confined to Churachandpur district, while the joint operation in Kangpokpi was launched in Wainem village of Kangpokpi district against anti-national elements. According to reports, the operation is still underway, but there is no official report of any arrest or seizure of weapons at the time of filing the story. A section of Indo-Myanmar border fencing between New Samtal and Aivongzang village in Chandol district was found cut and dismantled by unknown miscreants. According to reports obtained by SKTV, locals say around 150 to 200 meters of fencing near border pillar 67 under Molcham police station was systematically cut at the base and brought down. The fencing was installed recently as part of border strengthening measures. The motive behind the act remains unclear. Earlier on December 4, a similar incident was reported when fencing between border pillar 67 and 68 near Chongpol village was found damaged. Both incidents occurred within close proximity. Local residents suspect involvement of miscreants from Myanmar attempting to cross over the border into Manipur, allegedly to transport arms and ammunition. Officials said repeated damage to fencing poses serious challenges to border security operations. Following the incidents, Border Management Secretary Dr. Rajendra Kumar visited the state on December 19 and inspected affected areas on December 20 and 21. After the visit, additional personnel from 17 Assam Rifles were deployed to secure border roads organization teams engaged in reconstruction work. In spite of enhanced security, repeated attacks on border fencing continue, raising concern over effectiveness of measures to curb illegal immigration and drug trafficking along the border. As President's rule in Manipur nears completion of 1 full year on February 13, and as speculation grows about formation of popular government, ex-Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sharda Devi left for New Delhi today. According to our sources, they have been invited by central BJP leaders. Before their departure for New Delhi, and Biren did not make any comments on restoration of popular government in Manipur. He, however, conveyed confidence that Centre will take stringent action on destruction of border fencing along India-Myanmar boundary. Meanwhile, the President's rule in Manipur is about to complete a year on February 13. Several meetings had been convened by Centre in the past months where MLAs from all communities attended the meeting. While some MLAs have hinted for early restoration of elected government in some state, MLAs have expressed apprehensions. Meanwhile, in a recent interview to Poknafam newspaper, Kurai MLA Susildro has informed that all MLAs in Manipur have reached consensus to accept the name proposed by Centre to be the Chief Minister. He, however, hinted on the possibility of further extension of President's rule, citing some external influence working against a restoration of popular government in the state. Mayol President Assam Prince urged the public to stop trading votes for money, warning that the practice results in significant damage in the state over a 5-year term. He made the statement during the opening day of the campaign on politics, the Vote for National Regeneration, which was jointly organized by Mayol and Manipur University Students' Union MUSU at Manipur University Auditorium today. The program was attended by MU Department of Anthropology, former head Professor W. Nabakumar, Editors Guild Manipur EGM Secretary General Yumnam Rupachandra, and MUSU Vice President Hijios Tongbram as presidium members. Speaking on the occasion, Mayol President Assam Prince said that the welfare and development of a state depend largely on its elected representatives, stressing the need for qualified visionary leaders. On the contrary, transacting one's vote for the highest bidder is tantamount to forfeiting one's rights for the next 5-year period. Highlighting the grave consequences of this practice, he warned that it would lead to instability and unforeseen circumstances within the state. He remarked that leaders elected in this manner completely turn away from their voters once elected, creating a disconnect with the people. Assam Prince further called for the need to change the voting culture to secure a better future for the state.
Manipurgi thoiba thodok wathok singi waroshin macha ambo purakpang amdaba thodok wathok putingmaki horakphamdi ngasi ekoi miyamna politics pu na thaidun thamuba aduga miyam amadi lamdam asida tawriyo politics lamdam asiga lengak siga miyamga samnadagum leirakpa lengak asibu semakadure board election matam asidana miyam asibu leiba yonba yaba adugumba poshak amoina purakpa vote pu paisana senja thumjana amadi minam sori tawrakanda thaijinbi tawshinbi miyam tawrakanda miyam asibu leiba yonba yaba onthorokpa amadi lalon itikki mafam onthorokpagi phibam ama lakpase masi semdoknabi damakta mayolna miyam hopna politics bu khangminaba aduga mikhali kanglon se chumthoknabi damakta sangsanjarpa campaign amani that assembly election asigi mangoinan sahi machupna koi pangthokjagani mafam sinba thungna manipurgi tokai tokai mafam singda ekoi meeting sing aduga khoigi symposium tokai tokai ba school college singda khana nainabagi dialogue amadi khoi debate ki process sing satharakana miyam da hopna ekhoigi haiba politics bu khangminanabagi ekhoi khongjang se sangsanjagani.
6th edition of National Conference on Recent Advances in Mathematical Sciences and New Trends in Statistics began at Central Hall of DM College today. The conference is being organized by Department of Mathematics, DMU, under the aegis of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation and Anusandhan National Research Foundation. Vice Chancellor of DMU W. Chan Babu, Head of Department of Mathematics, DMU, Professor L. Sambhu, Senior Professor Chandra K. Jaggi of Department of Operational Research, Delhi University, Dean of School of Mathematical and Physical Sciences, DMU L. Nandababu, Principal of DM College of Science, Professor K.S.H. Birbal, Professor L. Rajan of GP Women's College attended the program. Speaking in the program, Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chan Babu highlighted the significance of mathematics and statistics in various field research. He also stressed on the importance to bring interdisciplinary education by incorporating new subjects like artificial intelligence.
Mathematics amasung statistics ki field se live ahong masi anga ko phangna lakre hoji matam dadi khoi medical science hairo statistics amasung mathematics yaud de yadre population studies population science hairo statistics yaud de yadre aduna masigi awareness ekoina society se porak pama yam darkar laibo aduna masi yaud ragadi ekoina economics ki oigera radiology ki oigera medical science ki oigera adagi agriculture ki science ki oigera masigi tawriba research puna machilo no fail oidori ne technology se ano la adagi ano soft ꯄꯦꯔꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ AI ꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯇꯣꯄꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯛ ꯕꯣꯛꯁ ꯑꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯛ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯊꯃꯦꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯤꯁꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯅꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯔꯤ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 3 days ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯒꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ
Artificial intelligence ka mari leba scientists yoktana leire makoina asunglaba koi mathematics amadi statistics ki anoba yawo changjel lei base masomda ayam focus tawni na haiba conference silip ki maramdi masida koina platform ma provide tawni haiba platform sida baleba ki professor scientists asiga aikoi gi university asigi chhatra chhatri singa interaction tawba makoi ka khangna sana khangna ba nabahona ba amadi hujik leiriba no ba kongjel development sida khangmin ba habsina koi gi maro platform provide tawni.
In continuation of the developmental works taken up by Moirang constituency, MLA Thongam Shanti inaugurated the newly constructed library hall of Mukta High School under Samagra Shiksha Secondary Manipur and formally handed it over to the school authority. The inaugural function was attended by headmaster and teaching staff of the school. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Shanti highlighted that several development projects have been implemented under the MLAD fund, including drilling of a bore well and installation of a water tank with filter at Terakong Sangbi Panchayat office to provide safe drinking water to the public. He also mentioned that Terakong Sangbi open gym meant especially for the people of Ngangkalawai and Sunusifai villages have been inaugurated and handed over to the public. Stressing the need to strengthen human resources, healthcare, communication and road connectivity, the MLA stated that efforts are underway to complete the construction of Ayush Hospital and other facilities at Community Health Center, Moirang.
अगर अफबक सुनाए वो पर तो बहुत बड़ा अगर डिजिटल कैजम दवा यूसिक को कैसे तको अब दता ले को अदु वो सुनाए तो डिजिटल कैजम दवा जो को थोड़े से पदो वो हमें भी सोशल जल्दी याद रखना तको डिजिटल का नहीं पता है से तो मसा जो करना और जो फेल ग्राउंड तो भी नहीं लगा मसा फट ले बगम दे बदु सो कोई दे अमांग पुन मक्सी Asidiso mo labi thong phawta bata communication gap there pare adu marbo na ido mo ya ke ra hal da labi thong la pa ti jar bi otherwise do labi thong se ma batu da hoji ai school la priority upi rahi.
Now let's take a short break and we'll return with more news updates. Stay tuned.
With thanksgiving to God, we rejoice in the holy matrimony of our beloved daughter Florina of Gaitanga Gonmei and Gaichina Gonmei from Wainam Village, Kangpokpi District, and Diki, son of Mingson M. Marak and Dilbahar A. Marak of Shillong, Meghalaya, solemnized on 13th January 2026 at Wainam Village. As scripture reminds us, what God has joined together, let no one separate. May the Lord bless and keep you, fill your marriage with love, faith and understanding, and establish your home in peace and joy. May your lives together glorify God always. With prayers and blessings from Dr. G.D. Ransanchung, RN Professor, IIT Roorkee, Uttarakhand.
Babina Multi Speciality Hospital na Lemjabi Self Help Group ka kutsamna duna free health screening OPD camp ama pangthok jagadawri. January ki tarik 13 thang janumit ki ayupung 10 dagi hauraga nungthil gi pung ani fauba ningthaukhong ward number 13 gi community hall da laying jagadawri. Hernia, gallbladder amasung appendix kamari leinaba laina, piles and fistula, breast lumps asina chingba mathakta panjariba layung sing asigi damag makhada pizariba phone number asida call tawbiduna tanabiyu.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. Let's continue with more news updates. A day-long awareness program on propagation of Right to Information Act was organized by State Academy of Training under the aegis of Department of Personnel and Training, DOPT, Government of India at Oriental College today. Principal of Oriental College, Dr. S. Ranjit, QAC Coordinator K. Biplab, President of Manipur Innovation Society, Tongram Tej Kumar, along with students of Oriental College, attended the awareness program. A quiz competition and a skit based on RTI was held as part of the program. Speaking on the sideline, President of Manipur Innovation Society, Tongram Tej Kumar, stressed on the importance of RTI in ensuring promoting transparency and accountability. He added that anyone can file an RTI and seek information regarding implementation of government schemes and projects. He further stressed on the importance for students to understand the significance of RTI.
Masida ekoi pandamsi leibak miyam gi thakot thorang gi phan adagi adai mayam punamak se ekoi yamna transparent oiba yam accountable oiba adugumba oina ba RTI se propagate to what RTI se bu aphaba mong de sin biduna ekoi gi yam hena chakot pa mai keida tung gi mirol ka hena aphaba chakot tung thang nu du pandam da ekoi ase phantok chabani india yoina se ekoi gi rti.gov.in de changa ga apu mol khangbi bi ai hena masida su loima ekoi famni online da state unity limited state unity my concern authorities
Capping and oath-taking ceremony come Freshers Meet 2025-26 of the first batch of GNM students of ILDS Nursing Institute was held today with much enthusiasm. The event was attended by Water Resources Department Secretary and Special Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Somurjit Salam, ILDS Managing Director Dr. Nongthombam Suraj Kumar, ILDS Nursing Institute Chairman Dr. Aribam Vijaya, TNAI Northeast Region National Vice President Professor Thaudam Nandarani, Manipur Nursing Council Registrar Dr. Aribam Jamuna and ILDS Medical Superintendent Dr. Ningthaujam Surkanta Meite as the main guests. Addressing the gathering, Somurjit Salam said the nurses play vital role in healthcare system and are the backbone of patient care. He added that students from Manipur and northeastern regions are well suited for nursing profession due to their dedication and compassion. He described opening of 3 government nursing colleges in the state as a major success and informed that steps are being taken to initiate more institutions and training programs to generate employment opportunities in the nursing sector.
Manipur nursing professions JNM courses BSc courses NM courses demand kya laibagi mi kya pekha tha bage mi kya tambar phangge che koina survey macha tabaga study to umutamda koina thangmangam nasi apply to riba mi mayam siga inga umutamda kogi seats seats am yam de Manipur the university Manipur Institute chairman like the colleges and GNM schools में हमसे मसिंग वनने लगे थे मतलब मर पड़ेगा कोई की छात्र मैं मम्मा कोई देखी नर्सिंग का मैं मम्मा मपान लगता चंद्र का काम नहीं we realized that there was a huge gap in our training infrastructure in our nursing colleges to nursing schools में हम चाहों infrastructure के नहीं रहे हैं जी realized तो
Security forces arrested one more person for his alleged involvement in a bomb explosion at a fuel station located in Moirang Thana Laikai in Bishnupur district last week. According to police, the 41-year-old accused was apprehended from the Lampel Sanakaitel area in Imphal West district on Thursday, and the cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from his possession. The arrested person is Pukrambam Bimol Meite alias Inaubi of Wangu Sabalaikai in Kakching district. Police also recovered 1 SMG carbine along with 4 magazines having 107 live rounds, 1 9mm pistol and a magazine containing 5 live rounds, 2 36 HE hand grenades along with 2 detonators and 1 two-wheeler. In separate operation, Manipur police also arrested an active cadre of KCP PWG from Langkabal Kunja Mamang Laikai on January 14. The arrested person is Ningtao Kongjam Sushil alias Kangla, age 47. 37th National Road Safety Month 2026 on the theme Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha was launched at Jadonang Park in Tamenglong district today. SC to DC Namthango Kamai officially launched the event for the district during a function that was also attended by OC Tamenglong Timon Langhu and other district level officers. An auto rickshaw rally was also conducted from Jadonang Park to Apollo Ground. District Transport Officer DTO Tamenglong Kumujam Niranjoy and OC Tamenglong Timon Langhu appealed people to adhere to traffic rules and to ensure safe driving by abstaining from using mobile phones and intoxicants. Various events including wall painting, street play, skit on road safety, special enforcement awareness drive, special road safety awareness experience program, compensation to victims of hit and run motor accidents scheme 2022 and cashless treatment of road accident victims scheme 2025 and road safety during the road safety month, which will be held till January 31st. Socialist Students' Union of Manipur SSUM welcomed the High Court's judgment on the Board of Secondary Education Manipur exam paper quality controversy, saying that it has restored the trust of the student community. In a press statement issued by SSUM Publicity and Information Secretary S. Inauyama Singh, SSUM asserted that the High Court's order can be called the triumph of truth while also demanding action against those involved in the alleged scam. The union also demanded thorough investigation in this matter and to blacklist firms that were involved in the discrepancy. Further, SSUM also demanded a public clarification from BOSIM on the entire controversy surrounding acquisition of substandard papers within this week. Manipur Equestrian Association MEA, affiliated to Equestrian Federation of India, and Manipur Olympic Association has announced that the 18th Ningthau Khongjam Tombi Manipur State Equestrian Championships 2026 will be held from January 25 to 30 at Manipuri Pony Breeding Farm, Lamphel. The championship will feature various events including show jumping for junior boys, women and men individual, tent pegging lance for junior boys, women and men individual, tent pegging sword for men individual, tent pegging lance for men's team, arambai distance throw for men and arambai distance throw for women. The association has invited applications from interested riders, clubs, associations and organizations in the prescribed entry form, which can be obtained from MEA office at the venue between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. According to Organizing Secretary T.H. Devendra Kumar, the last date for submission of the completed entry forms is January 23 by 3 p.m. and entries submitted after the stipulated time will not be entertained. Hockey Manipur has expressed condolence on the demise of renowned hockey player and former official of Manipur Hockey Association R.K. Manisana. In a press note, Hockey Manipur informed that a condolence meeting was held on January 14 to mourn the passing of late R.K. Manisana and observed 2 minutes silence in honor of the departed soul. Attendees also conveyed solidarity to the bereaved family of late R.K. Manisana. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Para-Special Forces of Indian Army and Assam Rifles conduct joint operation against armed groups for violating public order in Kangpokpi and Churchandpur districts. $150 to 200-meter stretch of Indo-Myanmar border fence found cut near border pillar number 67 in Chandel district. Amid government reinstallation buzz, ex-Chief Minister and Biren and BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Shardal leave Imphal for Delhi. And Mayol and Musu's year-long Vote for National Regeneration campaign begins at Manipur University Auditorium. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.